Imagine paying someone else's taxes for them and earning a rate of return of 9%, 10%, 12%, 15%, 18%, up to 24%. Yes, that is definitely possible. And how is that possible? It's possible with real estate tax lien certificates. So in this video, we're going to be talking about what is a real estate tax lien and how you can take advantage of this incredible opportunity to earn high rates of return on your money. So real estate tax liens occurs when a property owner does not pay their real estate taxes. Now, we can argue about why somebody didn't pay their real estate taxes, yada, yada, yada. Okay, fine. So be it, right? They went through a hardship. I got it. All right? I don't want anybody going through any hardships, but it does happen. So when a property owner doesn't pay their real estate taxes, it still needs to be paid, whether it's by them, their cousin, their mama, their uncle, or somebody needs to pay these taxes. And when the taxes are not paid, this is what happens. Their local county tax collector places a lien on that real estate property until the property owner pays. Now, if the property owner does not pay and they continue not to pay, the next step that the county is going to do is they're going to create a public auction and invite you, me, us, real estate investors or not, anybody is open to the public, okay? Whether it's your first time or you're a new investor or you're an experienced investor, you've done a couple of deals or whatever it is that is your jam, they're going to invite us to come and participate. How cool is that? So these public auctions are publicized on the local tax collector or tax assessor's website, or they're posted somewhere in a courthouse, or they're posted like in a newspaper locally within that county. All right. They're inviting us to come and participate in that auction so that they can give us a tax lien certificate. Now, why would the county want to give us a tax lien certificate if we pay somebody else's taxes? Well, yeah, because there's a guaranteed interest rate associated with us paying somebody else's taxes. Not only is the interest rate guaranteed by law by the government and is written in the statutes of that state, it's also secured by real estate, by real property. It's like a win-win, all right? Normally when people invest, they're investing in unsecured assets. This time you're investing in a secured asset that is real property. You can literally go up and touch it. You know what I mean? So it's a real thing. So you get guaranteed interest and it is secured by real estate. So there's two benefits that comes with investing in real estate tax liens. Number one, you have a guaranteed rate of return on your money, which is guaranteed by the government, which is an amazing thing. It's normally higher than any of your savings accounts right now, especially in this economy right now, in this economy, in this environment. You're getting, 1%, 2%, 3%. I mean, compared to up to 24%, that's a big difference. Really, really big difference, So I encourage you to go look that up if you're interested in getting high returns. And then the second advantage is if the property owner does not pay, and that's normally what people are more concerned about. They're like, oh, Jackie, I know there is a waiting period that I have to give the property owner to time to repay me, which is called a redemption period. But what if they don't pay me in the redemption period? What if they don't pay back their tax lien? What happens then? Well, the law is also in your favor, right? If you are a tax lien investor. So you're either going to get interest rate or you're going to eventually get the property, So when you are a tax lien investor, you want to put or buy liens on properties that you don't mind owning. Yeah. This is real talk, you guys. You got to do your due diligence. And I really, really do mean it. This is what I tell my students. If you're going to invest in tax liens, ensure that you do the same amount of research, due diligence as if you were planning to own that property, because you just might own that property sometime in the future. So if the property owner does not pay their real estate taxes, then you have the right to foreclose on that property and obtain ownership rights to that property. And it'll be at a very, very deep discount because your ownership rights or the amount that you paid is going to be based off of what you paid for the tax lien. Isn't that incredible? So you may have paid just a couple of $1,000s or even less, a couple of $100s for a tax lien, and then you end up with a property that's worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. Isn't that incredible? That's why tax liens are so lucrative and people love investing in tax liens because it's a low entry point to investing in real estate. It has very minimal risk. It's guaranteed interest, plus it's secured by real property. You do have to do your due diligence and make sure that you do all of your research so that you know exactly what it is that you're buying. But besides that, it's a great opportunity for those that are new to real estate or experienced investors that want to diverse their portfolio by including tax liens in them, in addition to all the other cool things that they're doing right now with their investment portfolio. So you want to learn more about tax liens and what states offer tax liens and who has the highest interest rates for tax liens, please click on the link. Connect with me, book a strategy call. We'll talk about it. I'll send you over my cheat sheet for each of the 50 states, and you'll see what state offer what opportunity. And then we can talk about if this strategy is the right fit for you. The link should be somewhere in this video, somewhere down there in the comments. Just comment, liens and then get with me. All right. So, before you go, make sure to click like, subscribe, all of that cool stuff to be notified when new videos are posted on this channel. All right. It's your girl, the Jackie Jackson, signing out. We're going to be talking about some more good stuff coming up on this channel. So see you soon.